What's up, guys? Today on PowerNation Daily, the Pentagon is working on a ray gun that can stop cars in their tracks. A race car driver that got a little too close to fans, a car that was hidden underground for 50 years. General Motors is the latest automaker to scale back on sedans, an RC jet that hit 450 miles per hour, and it's time for Top 5 Fast Fails Go-Kart Edition. Let's get this party started.
PowerNation Daily is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. Order online, delivered to your home or office.
Hey everybody, I'm Gannon Pritchard. This is PowerNation Daily. Let us know what you want to see on PowerNationTV.com. Hopefully it's sunny where you are. Let's get to talking about the news. There have been several cases of vehicles being used as weapons recently, like the truck in Toronto that actually killed 10 people. But the Pentagon is working on a device that could help stop all of that. The Joint Non-Lethal Weapons Program is using high-powered microwaves to stop cars in their tracks without injuring anybody or damaging the vehicle at all. The machine targets the car's engine control unit and stalls out the engine, according to Defense One. It's been named the Radio Frequency Vehicle Stopper, and there are two versions of this thing. There's one that can fit in the back of a pickup truck, and it has a range of about 150 feet. The other is a stationary version and can be placed in high traffic areas. This technology could be used by the military as well as police. Sounds like a good idea to me. I hope there's not a lot of radiation, but I guess we'll find out. What do you think about this? This race in Winston-Salem, North Carolina got a little crazy when the number 15 car collided with another vehicle, which sent the driver headed right towards the guardrail. But instead of stopping, well, the guardrail didn't do its job. The car jumped it and flew into the grandstand seating. That's not good. Luckily, no one was hurt. I sure bet those fans weren't expecting that. Time capsules are kind of a cool way to remember how things used to be. And the state of Oklahoma buried the biggest time capsule ever seen 50 years ago. It was big. How big? Well, let's just say it was the size of a 1957 Plymouth Belvedere, because that's what it was. They buried the entire car. The car was dug up back in 2007, but as you can imagine, after 50 years underground, it was rusted, the engine was pretty much shot, and it needed some TLC. But they were able to restore the car, and now you can find it at a museum in Illinois. And if you want to check out the whole story, you can do that too at PowerNationTV.com. Following Ford's announcement of cutting its sedan production to 2 models, General Motors is reportedly lowering their investments significantly in North America when it comes to sedans. The Drive reports GM execs get together every week and decide what stays and what goes and where they're going golfing at. They're just joking about the golfing thing, but probably not. Anyways, the Chevy Volt, Impala, Sonic, Buick LaCrosse, and Cadillac XTS are all rumored to be cut. That's a lot of cars. This could mean in a few years, Chevy could be your only option for a small or mid-sized, non-luxury American brand. So what you think about that? RC planes and cars have come a long ways over the years, but this one is on another level. It's fast. RC Media World, well, they posted a plane called Inferno, and it got a lot of attention. It set a record for the fastest remote-controlled model aircraft ever, hitting speeds of over 450 miles per hour. It's only 16.5 pounds. Can you imagine having that as a kid? My grandma would be so mad at me. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see. Stop by our website at PowerNationTV.com and have a good rest of your day. We'll see you guys down the road.